IT culture, trends, issues, and challenges. These are the subtopics of IT culture, six topics each. No. 2.1 Impact of information technology on society. Economical money making machine, marketing tactics, facilitation of globalization. Also can be available anytime, any place, making purchase. And help to computerize the company process. Impact of information technology, development of computer industry and internet networks, and multimedia technology and internet networks. Developing of computers and industry internet networks. Although there are many advances and positive outcomes of IT issue use not managed carefully, it can yield negative outcomes. IT has advanced society in many ways. Most aspects of society have been impacted, and also virtual reality. Automation. Automation is the creation and application of technologies to produce and deliver goods and services with minimal human intervention. Automation has involved of this robots or machines. Influence of IT culture and social behavior.
How does culture affect social behavior? Culture shapes our norms. The difference between cultures refers to norms and practices that are passed down for generations, while society associates people because of their culture.
The difference between culture can influence how members experience the world. Values influence human social behaviors because they norms the basic forms of norms.
Trends. Information technology is an industry on a rise, and business infrastructure, job growth, and emerging technology will all shift in the coming years. Data management and analytics has become ever convenient and important with advent of technology.
Mobile computing and application. Mobile phones, tablets, and other devices have taken both the business world and personal realm by storm. Internet of Things or IoT. The Internet of Things, an emerging movement of products with integrated Wi-Fi and network connectivity abilities. Example of IoT: internet, smart lock, tracker, smart barcodes, electronic appliances, home automation, car, self-driving car.
2.5 Privacy and Data Protection Law. Data is one of the most important assets company boss. Privacy forms from the basis of our freedom. Your data privacy matters. Republic Act number 10173, otherwise known as the Data Privacy Act, is the law that seeks to protect all forms of information, be it private, personal, or sensitive. It is meant to cover both natural and juridical persons involved in the process of personal information.